How to withdraw money from Western Union? So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Western Union and then simply create your free account. Now the next step is to simply select your receiver's country and then the send amount. So you're gonna have to choose here your country and then simply choose how much would you like to basically withdraw. So as you can see here, I have 100 USD dollar and I'm gonna receive this amount in Mexican currency, as you can see, Mexican peso. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply choose how do you want to receive the money. So you have cash pickup, bank account, or mobile wallet. Then how would you like to pay? So basically, if you want to receive money from someone, the sender has to choose any of these options, or they can simply choose pay cash in store. So they can go to any Western Union and simply pay, and then simply click on continue, and then you're gonna have to simply enter the details, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.